Hello bikers and babes, it's Rick Star Gonzalez with another how-to video. Today we're going to install a rear seat latch release. The purpose to these videos is to share knowledge. Nice. And ideas about common interests. This is what comes with the kit. A bracket and a strap with a little dealio on it. There's no instructions, so we'll figure this out. So like back here has a little release. You can pull that open. Here's the latch, and see, I have some space here. Here's the jack. I kind of tucked my cables back here, but I would like, if you look back here, there's a lot of space. This seat does not come down. Now, I've seen that there's a latch back here, and supposedly you could just kind of lift this up, reach back there and grab it. So we're gonna try that. Oh, there's two buttons, big dummy. Big dummy. Hey, I did it with my hand. All right. As you can see, I've opened this up before, and I was able to put more stuff here. Look at all the storage space that I have here now. Got my jumper cables, I got a tow strap, a socket set, and I still have room for something else. Awesome. So let's see what we need here. Well, that appears to be a torque wrench. This is the little nub that I pulled on. Can't believe I did it with my hand. So let me just find the right wrench for this, and we'll get this thing installed. Back to business. This is a T30. We're gonna remove these two bolts, release this bracket, and put the new bracket underneath. Well, we'll see how it goes. I don't think I'm super strong. I loosened it up a little bit already. There we go. Now you're talking. Okay. Everything does line up. All right, good. So, I guess this dealio. Okay, that bracket's designed to hold that sucker in. All right, let me put that on. Okay. So I guess when it locks in, you just pull this out. Okay. So we're gonna try latching it. Get these tools out of the way. Okay. So this thing kind of moves up and down. If you remember, when we first took it off, we picked up the seat a little bit. So we're gonna bring that down a little. There we go. So now I have access to the space behind this seat. Let's see how well it works. Oh my goodness. Can you give me a jump? Yes, ma'am. So you just grab this guy. Yes, ma'am. Nice. See, now I can access, I can put more stuff in here. A first aid kit would be great right there. I already got my jumper cables. I already got my tow strap, my jack back there. Cool. What do you guys think? Is it silly? Should I continue this series? I got a couple more things going on. If you like this content, punch that subscribe button. Ring that notification bell. I'm a motorcycle guy, so it's weird for me to say, keep on trucking. And God bless you.